Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to use Google Gemini on any Android smartphone. So you can either activate Google Gemini by pressing and holding the home button to activate Google Gemini. And you can also install Google Gemini on your smartphone like any other app. Just search Gemini and install Google Gemini. Now, as you can see, Google Gemini is installed on our smartphone. Alright. So what is Google Gemini? So Google Gemini is an AI assistant from Google, and it can do a variety of tasks. As you can see, this is the UI of Gemini. Now at the upper right corner are your account and your account info, as you can see. And at the upper left corner is your search history on Google Gemini. You can delete your search history by pressing and holding on them and deleting it. You can also rename your search history. Now, you can interact with Google Gemini either by typing your questions like, where is London? As you can see, it answered our question perfectly. Now, you can also interact with Google Gemini by asking it questions like, who is the King of Great Britain?
The King of Great Britain is King Charles III. He ascended to the throne on September 8th,
Also, you can have a conversation with it. When did the Queen die?
Queen Elizabeth II died on September 8th, 2022, at the age of 96.
Now, as you can see, it answered our question. Now, if you tap on this icon over here, you can activate Gemini Live. From here, tap on Continue, and you can ask Google Gemini anything. Hey Gemini, introduce yourself.
I can access and process information from the real world through Google search, but I can't ask Google Gemini things yet. My name is Gemini, and I'm a large language model.
All right.
I'm still under development, but
You can pause the conversation by tapping on Hold, and you can continue by tapping on Continue. Also, you can end the conversation by tapping on End. Now, as you can see, this is how you can use Google Gemini on Android. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.